So what do we have here?
This is a Warez CD, which is no-named
Warez Volume 2.
Volume 2, and it has nothing.
Yeah, nothing.
They have an advert for their high-quality, well-designed answer.
Yeah, and we have a booklet, so let's read what's inside.
Ooh.
Emptiness. This video is sponsored by PCBWay. If you want your circuit board design realized and printed, you should check out PCBWay. Starting prices as low as $5 for a 1 or 2 layer design with worldwide shipping. Place your order now, links in the description.
And they have a disc with a title on it.
Yeah, MIDI, Warez Volume 2.
They have scratches on it.
Yeah. And registration slaolie. And on the rear, the need for speed.
It's called Bertha Warez.
Is this Bertha?
I guess it's Bertha.
Yeah. So this computer is now still running and operational. So let's see what happens when we put this in. Okay.
Oh, this is the Windows Active Desktop.
Yeah. MIDI Warez. Oh wait, we have 2 drives. This is a fancy computer.
It has a setup and a MIDI directory. Let's see what's in the directory.
Items verborgen.
That's
They have hidden items. Map options.
Folder options.
Every bestandje weergeven.
Show all files. Here we go. A. Again.
It's music.
Mid.
That's probably pretty safe to start.
No speakers attached?
No, I don't see any speakers, so we need one with speakers, I guess.
Macs have speakers.
Oh yeah, they understand MIDI.
No, we can destroy this packet bell.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
Let's switch.
What's BIOS?
Oh,
But we have to run the setup first. Let's just do it. All right.
oh yeah, then we can.
You
Yeah.
can,
Did you click already?
No. Here, you can click.
No,
I
What's
didn't-
no.
What's that file? What's the file? Is it video file?
It's a
or-
setup.
Oh,
setup.
shit!
Oh.
We clicked.
What?
It's a setup file, and it might ruin the computer. Warez 2 menu successful installed. Okay.
And the computer is still running.
Yeah,
It's-
that's
It's MIDI.
yeah, it's MIDI, and now there's a file on the computer. It's called.
Maybe in the start
Maybe in
menu?
the maybe in the start menu. Maybe
Oh, yeah.
you don't have that
Warez
on your
2.
Macs.
Oh, menu Warez 2. The ultimate MIDI collection. Oh, you have to enter your. No, you have to enter slaolie. Otherwise, you can't see anything. You can say blah, but
Oh yeah,
you have to enter what's
wait.
there.
Slaolie. Okay.
Animations.
ProWares.
Oh, the MIDI is a cover-up.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh. That's funny. So what? We have all kinds of programs, but also MGA, the power. That's
games.
for Matrix cards, so some drivers, zip folders, Wacom, AutoCAD, Visual Basic, Coast, all kinds of things.
But we have games.
Yeah, let's go to the games. It's more interesting.
Information.
Yeah.
MicroSnot.
So it's Dutch. This in Dutch.
Yeah,
So it's probably a Dutch Warez CD.
it looks like it, and it looks like a MIDI thingy. And if you enter the right password, then you see that what's actually on the MIDI files.
That's interesting.
This menu is curated with a lot of
Care.
care. Yeah. If you have any problems, you can tell it to your supplier.
On the street of the
Yeah.
or the corner of the street.
Yeah. Under the light post at 12. You need to have 16 bits and 800 times 600 resolution.
High colors.
Yeah.
Hoge kleuren.
And there's no DOS anymore. Such a DOS crew. Oh, this is a DOS emulation.
Oh, here, Creed's MicroSnot Crew.
Ah.
It's a MicroSnot Crew.
Oh, you
Okay.
can try. Okay. Oh, this is just a
Now
image.
Slurten. Here, Slurten. Games.
Games.
And they have spinning discs.
Yeah.
Oh,
And Need for Speed too.
look!
Need for
The
Speed.
Need for Speed!
So now I have to. An Age of Empires. Awesome. So
And Team Hospital.
the best. Okay.
Okay, which one are we going to try out?
Yeah. So let's start with the one with. three
Yeah, just
exclamation marks.
uitpakken. Uitpakken, install or
Click.
dzip or whatever.
temp.
Yeah, that's fine.
Go.
This will probably take forever.
Yeah.
Momentje geduld, AUB. Puntje, 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 puntje.
This will take a while. Dot, 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 dot.
Bezig met het uitpakken van de Need for Speed 2. Uitroepteken, uitroepteken, uitroepteken.
So probably they have on the MIDI files are large. Like the normal MIDI files is like 15 kilobytes, and probably they are in the size of megabytes now somewhere. So we can look it up where they secretly stash the data.
Did you ever encounter a disc like this
No, never.
before?
This is a new experience.
Because you have a lot of knowledge and a lot of twilights.
Yeah, Twilight is something I know by heart, but this kind of disc I've never seen it before, and it's really fun. It's really entertaining. And
Ja, succesvol uitgepakt. Oké.
so it's now the temp tier. Let's see if it works.
That's the icon.
Oh, what?
Not suitable for
Not-
work.
Not for suitable work.
And now it's dead.
No, it's still spinning the hard drive.
I know.
It's very slow. It's a compact Presario.
I didn't even strip the.
Yeah, it was not that big, so it probably stripped music or cutscenes, videos. Race. Just go into the race.
Go. Ooh.
It looks like it's working.
You crashed the car. You have to put it in first gear.
Oh, where?
I don't know. Oh, there.
Oh.
Oh, it's
Oh, it's already in manual.
it's
Uh-oh.
it's for hardcore gamers.
At least the straight is pretty easy. Brake. Ah. I'm not drunk. I'm just an idiot. At least the experience is pretty okay. You put in the CD, you install the game, and you can directly play it.
Yeah, there's no
No
issue
hidden shit yet.
no viruses as far as we know, and they are all linked together now. These computers, so
Oh yeah, they have now internet between them and shared network. So that's pretty cool if a virus gets into the network. Oh wait.
well, this works. So let's try another game.
Yeah. Let's.
Team Hospital.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a English
Here's English.
description. Did it just copy paste? No, it's all English.
Oh, here the Need for Speed 2 fix. What's the info about it? Because we didn't have to use it.
Oh, the slideshows don't crash. Oh, if you open the option screen, then it will crash after a while.
Okay.
And then no more retarded EA logo. Their words, not mine. Movies playing over and over. It's a blank.
They could
file.
foresee the future.
Yeah.
Let's try another game.
What do you like most?
Dude, I think Team Hospital. Age of Empires. I think it's free now. The first one.
Yeah, it is for a while. Simply unpack into x.hospital, and then don't forget to set the right path in hospital.cfg.
That's already more work than necessary.
yeah, they could have automated that a bit.
Yeah, just uitpakken.
But I have to put it in a hospital folder, so. Can I not?
Yeah, here. No, that's up.
You cannot make a new folder?
Nee, dus annuleren. And just...
No.
Hm?
No typing for you.
Just temp.
Let's go. Let's look at the disk for while it's unpacking.
It's Windows 98 on an old compact Presario. You can't do twice
No,
things together. One task at a time.
Alright, so
It's not like Windows 2000 on a 2 CPU machine where you can really multitask. This is one task at a time, and with unzipping stuff, it's just complete
wait.
machine is wasted.
maybe since they have the original here, maybe it's just also legal to install.
Yeah, we have, probably, with all the games in the collection of Anna Bras, probably all the Twilights are legal for the games.
Alright, it's been done. Let's look at the game. Let's look at this folder. It's MIDI folders, MIDI files. It's pretty big for MIDI files.
They really use the whole CD.
Let's see if we can find
The T by Team Hospital.
details. And let's see if it's just at the T.
Train. How big is train?
18 kilobytes.
So
It's somewhere else. They have hidden it. So how do we, in this beautiful window environment, find the largest folder?
just click and search. What are you trying?
Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, what did you do?
This is the virus now.
I hope it gives some blue screen. That would be so funny.
Nope, it's not this one.
Only me. How big is only me?
Is it? It's a pretty big MIDI file.
It's the 46 megabyte MIDI file. So that is. Can you right click it? 7-zip? Extract files.
How does 7-zip know?
No, that's just a standard tool.
Oh, you can extract anything.
But as additional options are extract file. But it can't as extract it on a CD.
No, of course.
Maybe first copy it.
Yeah, that's that. So. Oh.
But I think we used all the resources of the computer.
Yeah, it's pretty slow now.
You can do it. You can do it. It has USB, so it's not the oldest machine.
Oh, I can do other things. It's at least 1995. Oh, here's another one. S is also one.
Yeah. Can we, right click up? Oh.
Yeah, let's just first close this mistake.
First close. I think we will speed.
File not supported.
Oh, so it's probably weird.
But maybe, but that's
maybe it was because it was on the CD still.
Yeah, perhaps, and see if we can open.
We found a dead end.
D. Okay, D. Let's use that one. It's smaller, and we can copy that to the disk.
Let's speed this up in the video.
Yeah.
No.
Don't put
No,
don't put the Warez on the
menu.
anti-server.
In the menu,
Mm-hmm.
it says
Yeah, but that was
it's back to X.
Yeah, you
that
can.
was
But
the
not that
server.
extra-
It want to
Okay.
infect the server. Let's
Okay.
not do that.
And then D.
Yeah.
So and then copies. We need another window. That's this, right? Yeah.
I don't know. I never use Windows keys.
Okay. Well, me as a Mac user knows everything about Windows. So let's go to D and copy this file here.
In the root, let's infect the root.
And then rename it.
Oh. Naam wijzigen.
We have to see extensions as well.
Yeah, then go to build, map options.
Map options, right? And build again.
Volledig bestand.
It's somewhere here, right?
Just click everything. Oh no, I think it's an option that hide extensions. So turn that off. Toepassen.
Okay.
And now it says mid.
Dead end dot mid. Yeah, here we go. And then we can
Rename to zip. Naam wijzigen.
rename. I was looking for rename. Yes. Yes.
So
Maybe it's a car. Ooh.
So it's
Can
maybe something completely different, or maybe some extra security.
Maybe, yeah, maybe. But maybe you should. Can we not open the file as a text file? 7 megabyte text file.
Oh yeah, that's with if you put in shift and then right click, and then you can open the mat. Open with. Let's see. Notepad. I think it will crash.
Let's see.
Yeah, well, to WordPad.
It's too big.
WordPad can open larger files.
So it says empty HD. So we have to figure out the file.
Roland Corporation.
It says that it is in MIDI file.
I think the computer hates me now for scrolling through it.
Yeah. It says empty HD and it says MIDI, so it's probably a MIDI file, but you have to skip the MIDI file and there's somewhere else the real file starts.
Wow.
So this is really a MIDI file, so you can play it in your MIDI player probably. We can try it on the next machine.
Yeah, with sound.
And then
I think this is a pretty safe CD without hidden viruses.
it looks like they spend time on it to make it decent. If
this is more obscure than the Twilights.
It's really obscure. It's really like never seen it before. Let's close this down.
And we can try if we put in a different password.
Oh yeah, that's right. Let's try that. Let's try it.
Yes.
You can try it. And then
maybe then the viruses will explode.
Yeah, I think so. And
then we just pull out the network card and see what happens. Or the network cable.
Oh yeah. You have to change the configuration. Hospit.cg. Oh, that's correct.
No, we are on C.
Oh yeah. C. Save. Perfect.
Okay, so this also, but this was already a little bit more difficult for a new computer user or a not experienced computer user changing files like that.
And they could have automated that perfectly fine. But it works, and it even has the movie files in it, so it's pretty decent.
Yeah. What?
It's really good. It is so good.
I like the graphics.
It's been amazing. I played this as a kid, and I played every level, I think, on easy.
Was it really hard on harder level modus?
I don't know. I've never tried. I just wanted to see.
You just want to have a nice experience.
Yeah, exactly. Just play it.
I mean, there's nothing wrong with an easy setting and just enjoying the game.
Yeah.
You don't have to be hardcore gamer all the time.
Hire somebody. Hello.
So this is the front door?
Yeah.
And why is the desk pointing that way?
Yeah, I don't know.
What's the purpose of that?
I've now kind of create a doctor's office.
Okay.
The door. Confirm. Add a desk. A cabinet, that's what you need. And a chair, and that's facing the other way. How can I? Here we go.
Oh, so
They're
you-
next to each other.
really cozy.
So behind the computer, so you have these awkward moments.
And then you can put the desk in front of them.
I don't think that's really privacy safe.
No, but we have to hire a doctor, human doctor person. Okay, good luck. So basically, your
And he's playing Quake.
hospital is now open for business, and we have to see if there's patients joining.
Can you also buy a helicopter?
Not as far as I know.
Because there's a helipad.
I've not seen them. I don't remember them. Maybe that's it. We're now in a week or two, and there's no patient yet, so I don't think we're doing pretty well. Let's hire somebody.
Maybe you need nurses or
Maybe. But
Maybe you need to open a
a
coffee bar so people will come in and then you can poison them and treat them.
Yeah. Oh, there's
Oh.
somebody.
or have an abortion clinic.
I don't know if they have that. Oh, look, to the desk, and then
Then
there's a they need a bench or something.
Oh yeah.
How do you? How to?
awkward
how do you
behind the
bench?
computer.
Added rooms, hire staff, furnished corridor, bench. Okay, so you can order them. So now we have
You
bench.
already kicked them out.
Yeah, the doctor's now doing diagnosis by typing and going to the file cabinet.
Maybe it was better to put the cabinet here. He's walking.
It's really not efficient.
More patients.
Oh, there's another one.
He has a really big head.
There's a nice map. It's a pretty big facility.
Let's try out the MIDI files on a system with sound.
Yeah, and try out another how to escape Windows. The Windows key should destroy everything, right?
Alt F4 is normally the way to get out of it. Wait, I have an ID. Alt
What?
Ctrl Delete.
No.
It's not working.
Send patient home. Goodbye.
Yeah, you first need to send patient home before you can cut out of the game.
Quit. Oh, then it ejects the CD because it thinks it's.
No, I put.
Oh, you.
I pressed the button.
Can we try the wrong password?
Oh yes. Last attempt.
I'll delete this illegal software.
This only for science that we are installing illegal stuff. It was the E.
Right. Now probably you can just enter.
Apple flap.
Apple flap.
Apple flap.
Oh, now we have MIDI files. Play. Awesome.
So that's cool.
They really did try to hide. Like, we need 600 megabytes for 20 MIDI files.
Let's try it in a computer with sound.
Yeah, it's a Warez CD with a selection of the best MIDI files at this moment. It's not really a good cover up.
All these MIDI files are of course royalty free.
Yeah.
Wow.
This one?
No, I think this one.
Does it have speakers?
Pentium 3.
Does it have speakers?
I'm not sure. Yeah. Fucking ugly. What's
Ooh.
this? What's this?
Oh, that works.
XP? Yeah, we can play music on MIDI under XP.
You choose.
This is a really ugly case.
It's beautiful.
I can sit here now and watch the nice light strips here with RGB lights.
The light here is missing.
Yeah. So let's prullenbak. No. Windows XP.
It's Teletubby
I
heaven.
always miss the Teletubbies here on the mountain. Does it work on the Windows XP? Probably. Elger!
Hey,
Come,
Victor.
let's try it out! Okay, people will think we are
Yeah.
complete
But
idiots.
You don't need to install. You can just go to the MIDI and
Yeah,
and
let's-
double click. Oh yeah.
Other,
The extension probably.
yeah, the extension shit.
My eyes start to.
Oh, here. Okay, Windows XP. Let's complicate everything.
Yes. More features and options.
It's the sound card plugged in.
Loudspeakers are turning on. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you can hear. You can slide it.
Mm-hmm.
This is the dead end file, like for the 7 megabyte. Oh, it's a bit flaky.
That's really high quality MIDI sound card.
So
So
file.
probably in the beginning of the file, it's just a MIDI file,
Yeah.
and probably later in the file, they put random data.
Yeah.
That's a game or program.
Yeah. So they
what
made
will
something.
happen in the last seconds? Will it crash? No.
Well.
Let's find a really big file.
This was in the O, or the S was the largest. S was the largest, 16
I hate
megabyte.
Windows XP.
Hmm.
Now he needs to load the whole file in probably.
Oh. Ah, there we
So,
go.
so for a mini file of 1 minute 39 seconds, 65 megabytes. Wow.
Probably if we open this one, this text editor can deal with it a bit better. And we can just find where they made a split between the MIDI file and the actual data.
Yeah, let's.
There's even a tool for that. It's called binbulk, but I don't know if you can access that from the internet here.
Open a mat. Opening with
Yeah.
kletbluk.
It's just the biggest one, so
Yeah.
60 megabyte. Maybe we should use the one with 7 megabytes.
But it didn't say the file's too big for kletbluk. Do you want to use WordPad? So
That's true.
maybe this has higher limits. But 65 megabyte of text
Text
is
is a bit big. I don't know. I don't think it's gonna work.
No, let's task manager. Processors, prestaties,
Ah, yeah. There we go. 100%.
100% and 400 megabytes of memory used.
Yeah, that's not gonna do anything. Let's try a smaller file.
But it has
Oh.
it has like 2.5
Oh.
gigabytes of memory, so we are not running out of memory. Oh, here.
Yeah, so you can pretty clearly see that this is MIDI. It is completely different than this Garbo here.
Mhm.
And there's
And here is some musicshopper.com, dave@musicshopper.com.
MIDI of the week. So it's the metadata and
And it's like if we scroll to the side, it's a lot of text sideways also.
yeah, we have to see. No.
Oh no! now
did
needs
you
to
do?
rethink.
You killed him.
Reformatting.
Yeah,
How to-
reformatting the text so it fits in one column instead of like widescreen.
Oh, that's maybe it's good, but it takes a while.
It really needs to load in the whole file. But at least CladBlock supports 65 megabyte files.
It's very decent.
So they really updated CladBlock also. It's not that they copied the same tool over and over.
It's called a notebook.
Yeah. Yeah, CladBlock. Notepad.
Notepad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We can also do
Maar CladBlock is sounds bad.
It's better.
Sounds
CladBlock.
better.
Why?
CladBlock.
CladBlock.
No.
What did I do?
We can also try to decompile the executable and see if we can find another password, so that there's also a development password.
And then we have more tools.
There's even more wares on it, or an admin tool that you can compile your own menu. I think that's also in there. I'll take a look
Yeah.
in the nerd section
The nerd
of,
section.
of the video. This is the normal human section. That didn't work
I think 65 megabyte files is a little bit too much.
but we can try the smaller one. Yeah, send a report.
Yeah, we send
Boom.
now a report of the crash in Windows XP of CladBlock.
Notepad.
Yeah, I think they are really happy with our report. They will now totally
Just
change it.
drop the work.
Yeah, drop the work. Put a team on it. Details. Let's just use
Oh,
a
that's-
small file, or let's just copy all
I
of
think
them.
yeah, it looks like a 349 kilobyte MIDI file. Yeah, it's also different data.
Oh, you mean around here? It's different, or?
Yeah, if you maybe if you do wrapping now, then we
Oh,
can see-
Jess LeCun, John Campbell. That is the MIDI part.
Maybe this feature is just broken. Oh,
No.
here we go. Then scroll a bit down, and there should be a clear.
Oh yeah,
Here we go.
So here's new info.
Yeah, it looks like somewhere here. There's it's a lot of empty space. So this is probably the end of the MIDI file, and then
I think this is the Visual Basic 5 development something.
Yeah.
Something like that.
yeah.
That would make sense to first really put the MIDI file. That's pretty smart to do.
Yeah, and just dump the other one behind it, and it works in the amazing enough. It works in movie player. You can just play the MIDI file and listen
Yeah.
to the music.
And the zip apps sees this data in the beginning and thinks it's garbage.
Yeah, I don't know if this will be.
If it's a zip or
Yeah,
just
well, maybe we can just delete the.
let's see.
But I don't
Shall
know where
we?
to start.
Shall we? Yeah, I think here.
I think from F, from F there. But there should be like a few bytes that say I'm this type of file, and it's missing here.
Let's see just what happens.
All right.
Uh-oh.
Boom.
Oh no! We destroyed it. Oh yeah. Scroll up with the mouse wheel.
Maybe it's the.
Delete. Okay.
This will never work.
I put it.
The
as
zip files start with the letters PK.
Okay.
So, and I'm missing those. Oh.
It's damaged.
Maybe it's not even a zip file.
No.
Maybe it's just an executable. No.
No.
Hmm.
But it is really interesting, this CD.
Still, yeah. So
And I think we only have volume 2 of it. So if people know if there are more volumes of it, let us know. But the Need for Speed was like on the disc, so
Yeah.
that was the only sign.
they didn't lie. It was really. It worked instantly out of the box, no
Yes.
problem.
But they were really clear that it is a Warez CD. That is pretty. It's not like MIDI collection or
Yeah, that's a bit dodgy.
yeah.
And I like the artwork. I'm
What?
in love.
What's this?
Is it a different password? Maybe we should try that out too.
What
Yeah,
does it say?
Pooh.
The-
Like Winnie the Pooh.
Wow. Okay.
Uh oh.
Memory corruptions.
Now it's doing weird things.
It's probably just an
It's,
old.
it's broken
Yeah.
the
old
app.
Maybe you have to open it in compatibility mode.
Yeah, let's
not.
Yeah.
Let's not.
It was an interesting experience and a working experience with some real games, with some tools. So yeah, how much do you rate this Warez CD from a scale from 0 to 10?
I think it's at least a 7 because it has decent games. Maybe an 8,
Yeah.
but it's a bit obscure.
Yeah.
They try too hard to not hide it or hide it.
Yeah.
And you have to do something manually, and that's not really consumer friendly.
Yeah, 7.5 for me.
Yeah. It's
And Twilight, the general experience, is that higher?
much higher.
Because the easy menu.
Yeah, the menu with
option-
previews and images, and you just click and go. In most cases, and that's something that's missing in this case. But it's still, if you're a teen and you want to play those games, you will find it.
Yeah, and it's a fun experience that you need to put the right password in.
Yeah, it sounds more illegal. It's like, "Ooh, look at me, I'm cool."
Yeah, good.
Well, that's this
Yeah.
one. And we didn't destroy a PC, so we should try harder.
We need to have a thumbnail. Maybe we can put this in a different.
Oh yeah, sure.
Is this a good thumbnail?
Sure, why not?
But I want to. The beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alrighty. Awesome.